Hello.
My wife. Becky. Elijah.
I'm
That is
Don't go. Everyone's offering a new boy. Can you get it? I should allow you to stand up.
One cup.
Yes. How are you?
Permanent Secretary, before we commence our work of the making sure that food is made available. Governor of Lagos State, Secretary to the State Government, Head of Extra-Ministerial Department, prominent farmers and fishermen, Excellency, distribution of water pumps to farmers, fishing inputs to fishermen, and motorcycles to to agricultural extension officers is to facilitate increased food production by farmers and fishermen through the dissemination of information and demonstration of improved production techniques, as well as provision of production inputs to farmers and fisher folks. Since the inception of this administration about a year ago, the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives had been given support and assistance to farmers and fishermen in all areas of their activities in order to increase their productivities. Some of these areas include dry season crop production, which is popularly referred to as Fadama farming, the provision of farming and fishing inputs through the agricultural microcredit scheme, and the strengthening of the extension services. Today, we are privileged to witness further testimony to the state government's commitment to increase food production, as the state chief executive is here presiding over the distribution of inputs to farmers and fishermen, and also provision of mobility to field extension workers. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to recall some of the results of the state government's efforts in the area of food production over the last 1 year. Production figures published by the Project Coordinating Unit of the Federal Ministry of Agriculture, FACU, and Rural Development indicate that cassava tuber production in Lagos State increased from 250,000 tons in December 1998 to 420,000 tons by the end of year 1999. Also, maize production in the state increased from 55 tons in 1998 to 100 tons in year 1999. The same increasing trend was also recorded for other food crops and fish catch in the state. This address cannot be concluded without thanking the state governor for giving the welfare of the state farmers and fisher folks paramount position in its